Are you facing problems with mold in your home or office? Presence of mold can create lots of problems for you and your family. We are mold removal professionals. We can help you not only figure out what you are dealing with, but help with its removal and cleanup so you don't have to worry about it anymore. Stop worrying and call us now. Mold removal can be a difficult and reoccurring problem. Our mold removal experts, however, will make sure that everything will be taken care of in the cleaning and removal process so that your mold problem doesn't ever come back. We are also very cost efficient and understand that most people aren't even aware of how serious a mold removal situation can be until it's too late. We can help avoid a situation where mold can hurt you and your family. Our experts can investigate your home or office for any existence of mold. We can also educate you completely on what to look for in case there isn't any found. That, of course, doesn't mean that there won't be any mold to deal with in the future. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you've never dealt with mold a day in your life. Our mold removal experts are professionally trained to deal with any mold situation that arises. They are patient and friendly and will answer questions about mold removal as well as show you step by step what will be done to remove it. So what are you waiting for? Please call us now to get rid of mold.